at the end of the stairs. Oh, this! My phone is... Hey guys, we're in Lalapot with my friend Unas, and we have new member today, Ryan, my best friend. So we're going to watch the Jurassic movie first, then play bowling. I'm out because he's scared, unless he can beat me somehow. And yeah, done the competition. That we arrived. Half of my popcorn is finished. This one is still full. There we go! Guys, what do you think of the movie?
Pretty good.
Alright, mid. Okay, it's good, not bad. But F1 was better.
7.5 out of 10.
7.5? You also?
7.
Maybe 7. Now we are going to the bowling. Don't worry, it's nothing crazy going to happen like last video. Because he's also included. Okay, we just finished. Again, me, I won. Ryan second.
I lost.
And I think, what do you actually say? Are you going to play bowling next time?
I'm not coming here. I'm not playing this game ever again, man. I'm ass at it.
You're the rookie. I did horrible, but I still won. Just finished eating in the same place. It was like exactly the last video. Would you play again bowling?
No, I
would.
With him.
With him, okay, Rahim, you can play. Now this is our second part of the vlog. We are in this city. So big.
Oh, that's the elevator.
You have a clip of my sister going onto this ride, and I wanted to try the go-kart, but it's 88, like around 90 ringgit for 1%, and the speed is just 40. That's too less. End up coming here, me and my brother, 75. Whoa, guys, see, not scary at all. It's quite high. So why are you scared? Okay, we're wearing this weird thing. The bro is struggling. Okay, we are going here, guys, now. How you feel, Irfan?
I feel good.
Okay, we're at the end of the stairs. Oh, this! My phone is wet! How do you feel?
It's so wet.
Okay, we got wet.
I don't need to shower anymore.
Look at this, bro, it's fully wet. You is all wet. Recording this while my phone is 2%, and I had to open my case because it was raining and freaking out. We're in this stop. That's where we came from, ferry wheel. Because we had our... We guys are going to do bowling. Look, 2 seats can manage to fit 4 people. How do you feel, Maria?
Oh my gosh.
Again today bowling. Today is not horrible. I got 93, my sister got 40, and his is round. I got 60 even, I beat them, but it was horrible for my term. Oh, bro is helping for it. Bro is behind.
Why are you behind? Be faster. You're a man.
We guys at Penang, we were hopping on the train, curved train, going up there. Oh, we managed to go in.
Yes.
Looks so perfect view. You barely can see anything. Here's where I took my picture of my profile picture. Everything. Been done. We are going back down. Thinking. Okay. Let's go. Can you guys see? Okay, you're going to stay at this hotel. We always come here but never stayed here because it was like too expensive and always out of room. Then finally we came here and we're going to eat here first and yeah, go back there. I think
I'm hungry.
Bro is so hungry. Okay, here's the hotel. We went inside. I wish we could be up there or somewhere. Okay, anyway, here's the review. It wasn't that expensive. It was like I'll put it somewhere here. So the safe. Where the hell is the toilet door? I guess there's individual door for this. And yeah, cabinet. Nothing inside. Is there a fridge? Oh, okay, there's fridge. TV. No Netflix. And yeah, 2 bed. And the view. The view, I guess, alright, not too bad. If it was front, it would be nice. So yeah, you can see the one. Oh, it also has a swimming pool. It looks nice. And the main part, the beach. Yes, the beach is pretty long, I guess. And the sun is... Okay, checking out now. It's like rough. All my stuff in that school backpack. Now, the entire day just went by eating and going out of the hotel room. Just finished praying here. Now, Highlands. I really don't like this place. I mean, other people might like it, but not me. Okay, this is the house at the 10th floor. It has the food. I mean, the kitchen, the toilet. Each floor has each room. I thought it's like only one floor. So here's the balcony. There's 3 balcony, I believe. Okay, only one. So it looks scary to live here alone. And yeah, let's go to the second floor. It would be terrifying to stay here alone, definitely. Here, another room. Okay, there. Another big bedroom with that open glass mirror. What else? There, another room. Green line is annoying me a lot, but it's alright. What to do? Oh, there's one more up. Oh, there. What the hell is this? Oh, the second floor, right? Yeah. Okay, yep, that's the review. Here's our hotel. I'm just walking. It's like around at 11. Bro, it's freezing because the temperature is like 17 here. And I'm looking for the kids. Oh, they said they're somewhere here. Looks pretty interesting area. Bro, just waiting for our mom.
Yeah.
Power of cloud gaming. The hotel Wi-Fi isn't bad, but dang, you can even on RTX if you have higher high internet speed. Now this crazy guy is chasing me. The next day, just finished praying Jumu'ah, and this inner cool look. And there's few famous shops. I guess I will try this tea, the milk tea especially. Just bought this. I think what is it? I just asked something like hair ice. It's disappointing since I paid like 15. If you know any other better drinks, then you can share in the comment section.
Okay. We're on our way to the Cameron Valley tea thingy. Can you stop?
I just came up here. I'm so tired. It's like a 30-story floor. I just came from there. Yeah. I don't know why I went up here, but the view is amazing. So down here to up here. Whew.
No. Fire!
From down here, it doesn't look like I was up there. But from up there, you look like you're so high up. Yeah, we're eating this. We have to cook our own food.
Chicken.
No, I think there's a fish, so we just put here and cooking. We paid to eat, but we have to cook ourselves. That's just the norm. What do you think?
It's interesting.
I came back from the hot food that we just eat to our lobby, to the apartment. So me and Ifan going to play. Okay, bro saying his last famous word. Just 3 ringgit plus. So this is our last ball. Whoever goes in first, they win. So let's see. Yay! I win! Now we are leaving this conjuring house. You want to stay more, Ifan?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Came to this strawberry place. We had to pay and they have to cut. I didn't want to come, but yeah, I'm forced. Now let's see. My sister cutting some. Okay, are you not going to cut?
Are still white.
I don't know what's so fun about this. So they just cut and put in a basket.
Yep.
You still have to pay this after entering pay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to fix my phone. I have to be quickly came to DIY because I can't open my phone back. Bought this stupid suction cup for 8 ringgit. I hope I can open this with my phone now. I'm not even passing the first step. The thing is not buzzing. Okay, finally managed to suck it up with the heat. Okay, oh damn, god damn it. Here's the fixed phone. The edge is black, but it's alright. It's fake. It's supposed to be white, but the screen protector is vertical. The fingerprint sense is gone now, and got a bigger hole there, and the color gets weird and dark there. Okay, yeah, but it's fixed. I'll use this until I get my new phone. Guys, subscribe. Again, back to him. We are trying to play the escape room. Let's see if the price is alright. And yeah, see you inside there. We are working in the City Park. Nice sunny weather. Wish it was windy. We are waiting until the game starts. We're going to eat this clay pot. He said it's good. And some random people gave us this. We'll see if we can eat it or not. Guys, we have like 45 minutes to lock out of this room. Now yeah, here's the first step. Okay, put your hand. And yo, we did it! Is it here? So we put the card here.
Oh, maybe you have to turn it a bit.
You found it! Back to the important part. First, to unlock the 4-digit lock.
What happened?
Idiot!
So that's the card. Oh, then guys, we suck at it. Is it this?
Yeah.
Oh, is it this? Come. Oh, you're here, bro?
Yeah.
Okay. So we just finished playing from Mr. Hawkins. He escaped that room, so we couldn't find him. But that's a part 2 in unique here. Maybe a separate video next time there. But it was fun. But we are both stupid.
Oh, yeah. Very much.
Even though I've experienced Resident Evil game puzzle zombie, we found nothing.
That's true.
We were just kicking hint. From
Answers too, not even just hints. Answers.
Yeah. Came to the Putrajaya Mosque, since if I go home by public transport, it will take the same amount of time coming here. So yeah, it's easy to come here. Plus the Grab was too expensive. And yeah, my parents are here, so we'll go together at home. Perfect.